Welcome to CodeMine. Hi, I am Carrie. Today I come up with the solution that sometime we face a issue in Windows that after installation of Docker, we are not able to run Docker. So what is the reason behind that? So first of all, we need to keep in our mind that our user should be administrator, right? Or our user should have access of administrator. Why? Because to run the Docker, we need access of administrator. So I just installed Docker into my system and I am trying to run Docker. So you guys can see here I am facing an issue here that Docker is not running here. So I will try to run it from the Docker desktop icon. So we are getting the error that Docker desktop access denied. You are not allowed to use Docker. You must be in the Docker user group. So the RCA behind is that my current user is not a part of Docker users group. So that is the reason I don't have access to run the Docker. So how to do that? Let's solve this issue. So I will click into search box and write down computer management. It's there, and after clicking on computer management I will get a window, and in window that I will click on this users, local users and groups. After clicking on this I will click on groups, and after groups here is at the bottom Docker user. I will right click on that, and after clicking on properties I will now able to add the user by clicking on this add button. So we can see here only we have a administrator user add into our Docker user. Why? Because by default automatically administrator added into our Docker users group. So if you guys are using a different user, you need to add that user in that group. How to do that? Very simple. Click on add button. After that, if you remember the name, you can directly type here, or the best way is click on advanced. After that click on find now. So here you will get a list of all users. So here you can find out your user. So this is my username. So I will click on that and click on OK. Again I will click on OK, right? So we can see now my username is added into the group. I will click on apply and click on OK. So once I have completed this steps, I need to log out from my account, and again I have to log in so that the changes I have done into my account should work properly. Without logout you cannot run Docker, right? So you have to log out and log in again, and for that I will click on my username and I will click on my sign out button. So guys, after log out I will join you shortly. Welcome back guys. So after log out I am again logging into my system. So I will check now that whether my Docker is running properly or not. So I will click on Docker desktop, right click on that and run as administrator. Click on yes, and I will see that whether it's working or not. So I got a pop-up that Docker is starting, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes to get started. So meanwhile I will start my command prompts. So I will right click on command prompt and click run as an administrator and click on yes. So I can check here that whether my Docker is started or not. It's still starting. So how can we check our Docker is started or not? Docker ps. So still I am getting an error response from daemon. Why? Because my Docker process is under process is not completed yet. So I will wait till I got a confirmation. Yeah, so I got a confirmation that my Docker desktop is running now. So if I do this way Docker ps, so yes, So guys, you can see here I am getting the container ID, image, command, created, status, ports, names, and everything. So my Docker is successfully working now. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and your issue will also sort out. If you guys still have a problem, just comment into the comment box. We will try to sort out your problem. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly please like, share, comment, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.